Hello and welcome, I'm Jason Wallace, graphic designer for the College of Arts and Sciences. In this video, I'm here to help you format your images to be most compatible with the Omni website platform. Suppose you have a large collection of photos that need to be edited. This tutorial will walk you through the process of managing all of those photos using Adobe Lightroom Classic. If this is your first time using Lightroom, let me introduce a few concepts. First, it operates differently from most applications. Instead of opening and closing files one at a time, Lightroom imports them. Second, the interface is divided into modules, visible along the top. We will use the first two modules, Library and Develop. Let's import photos into Lightroom. One of the easiest ways is to drag photos directly onto Lightroom when in the Library module. This will cause the import window to appear with all photos already selected. Ensure that all photos have check marks next to them and that Add is selected along the top. Press the Import button. All photos are now imported and ready to be edited. Let's crop the first photo. Select the first one, switch to the Develop module, press the Crop button. In the crop options, change the default of original to 4:3. The photo will now have a crop overlay which you can resize and move. While adjusting the crop, the box may turn vertical. The Omni website prefers horizontal cropped photos, so we must ensure that it stays horizontal. When finished, press Done. Next, we'll apply that crop to all of the photos. Select all photos by choosing the menu Edit Select All or use Command-A on your keyboard. On the right side of the window, press the Sync button. This will bring up the Sync window for synchronizing settings across multiple images. Select Crop. It's okay that straighten angle and aspect ratio will also be selected. Press the Synchronize button. All photos are now recropped. If your photos are still selected, please unselect them with either the menu of Edit Select None or use Command-D on your keyboard. The next step is to adjust each photo as needed. Now, some photos might be cropped wrong, and that's okay. Press the Crop button to bring up the Crop tool again. Here's a time saver. If you know you have more photos to recrop, don't press the Done button just yet. You can stay in crop mode and navigate to the next photo. When finished, press the Done button in the lower right. Now we're ready to export all of the photos. Go to the Library module, select all photos, choose either the menu Edit Select All or use Command-A on your keyboard. At the bottom of the panel on the left, press the Export button to bring up the export options. If this is the first time you've exported photos with Lightroom, we'll need to enter just a few settings to get everything just right. Lightroom will remember all of your settings the next time you export photos. In the Export window, the default is to export to a new folder on your desktop. You may change the name of the folder here. If you prefer to save the photos somewhere else, you may change the destination with the Export To pull-down. We will rename the files by selecting Rename To. Since we have multiple photos, we will create a file naming pattern that starts with the name of our choosing and has a sequence number at the end. Select the pull-down option and choose Edit. Put your cursor in the example up at the top and delete any text pattern that's there. Press Insert next to Custom Text and see that a placeholder for custom text has appeared. Then type a hyphen or underscore after it. Then in the Sequence pull-down, choose Sequence 001. Now click Done. Back in the Export window, in the Custom Text field, enter the name that you want all photos to start with. Make sure it's all lowercase with hyphens or underscores instead of spaces. Notice the example to see what the first photo will be named. In Image Sizing, select Resize to Fit and choose Long Edge. Enter 1280 pixels, and then select Don't Enlarge. This means if you're using any small images, they will remain small. When you're ready, press Export. Now you're ready to upload these photos to Omni and use them on your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact me. Thank you very much.